The amazing moringa purifies the water, and it treats more than 300 diseases. The real and ugly truth: clean, drinkable water is unfortunately out of reach for hundreds of millions of people around the world, contributing to a vicious cycle of poverty and disease. And these people who have to spend large amounts of time finding safe water to drink don't have time for other things like education or work, and contaminated water often harbors deadly diseases. But don't worry, there is hope. The scientists have discovered a new type of nanotic filters, light-based water purifiers. We are talking about the amazing ancient Egyptian seed, moringa. Did you know that in ancient Egypt, people used the crushed seeds of the Moringa oleifera tree to clear up cloudy water? Well, yes, and the scientists later discovered that a protein in the seeds kills bacteria by gathering them into clusters which sink to the bottom of the container. A group of researchers at Penn have revealed how the protein kills the bacteria. How this works? Well, it seems to fuse the membranes of the bacteria together. Membranes are designed to protect a cell, so when those defenses are breached, it's bad news for the bacteria. They've also found what's the best time to harvest the seeds. Until now, harvesting the seeds at the peak of their useful protein was guesswork. People knew that seeds harvested at different times had different abilities to clean water, but the differences hadn't been quantified. The new research found that the proteins were at their strongest cleaning ability when harvested as mature seeds during the rainy season. And many experts and scientists around the world really hope that the seeds can be grown and harvested in areas where they are most needed. Other parts of the plant are edible, making it useful for not only cleaning water, but providing a nutritious source of food for communities. Moringa, the tree of life. Here's what you need to know. Well, this miraculous plant is native to northern India, Pakistan, the Himalayan region, Africa, and Arabia, and it is also known as drumstick tree or horseradish tree. Moringa oleifera tree is loaded with vitamins, minerals, proteins, beta-carotene, amino acids and various phenolic. As stated before, this plant has a wide range of healthy properties. So it can act as cardiac and circulatory stimulants, possess anti-tumor, antipyretic, anti-epileptic, anti-inflammatory, anti-ulcer, antispasmodic, diuretic, anti-hypertensive, cholesterol-lowering, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, anti-homintic, anti-urolithiate, hepatoprotective, antibacterial and antifungal activities. The best thing about the super healthy tree is that all its parts are high in nutrients and are edible. Moringa leaves are consumed either in the form of fresh salad, drinks, or steamed as spinach. Its flowers are rich in potassium and calcium and are very nutritious and consumed as food. The young fruits of moringa tree can be eaten raw or be prepared the same way as green beans or peas, while fully grown fruits are usually eaten fried. The fruits of this tree contain around 40% of oil ingredients, which are used to produce cooking oil, also known as ben oil, which is very similar to olive oil. In addition, moringa fruit's peel can serve as a natural replacement for sunscreen lotion. Note, this is really amazing. These remarkable leaves contain 7 times the vitamin C found in oranges, 4 times the calcium in milk, 4 times the vitamin A in carrots, 2 times the protein of yogurt, 25 times the iron in spinach, and 3 times the potassium in bananas. Many different studies have found that moringa leaves possess anti-tumor and anti-cancer activities, due in part to a compound called niacinamide. Preliminary experimentation also shows activity against Epstein-Barr virus. Compounds in the leaf appear to help regulate thyroid function, especially in cases of overactive thyroid. Further research points to antiviral activity in cases of herpes simplex 1. The glucose-modifying, anti-diabetic effects of moringa may prove of great use amidst a virtual epidemic of type 2 diabetes and obesity. The liver protective activities of the leaf and its extracts could make it a staple component of bitters formulas and various cleansing preparations. You should also know that moringa is very useful and effective in treating many different health problems, such as ovarian cancer, arthritis, anemia, heart complications, kidney problems, scurvy, asthma and digestive obstacles. It will also help you cleanse your liver from all harmful toxins and improve its function. People in Africa call this tree the tree that never dies due to its incredible durability. If you liked the video, give it a thumb up. and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.